Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you are all doing well. So we are very excited to share our experience of the world's first tri-folding phone, Huawei Mate XT. So we were in the Dubai Mall and came across the Huawei store and decided to do a quick hands-on. The Huawei Mate XT is a bold leap in foldable tech and is making wave for a good reason. Here's a breakdown of the key facts that makes it stand out. So looking at design and display, this tri-folding mechanism, unlikely typical foldables, the Mate XT folds twice, giving it a Z-shaped form factor. Screen size folded once is 6.4 inches, folding twice 7.9 inches, and fully open 10.2 inches, almost a tablet size. Display type flexible LTPO OLED with resolution up to 3184 by 2232 pixel. The OLED panel is vibrant, responsive, and durable for something so thin yet not so heavy. So imagine a 10.2-inch tablet folded in 3 and in your pocket, as heavy as a Fold 6. It's amazing. Moving on to performance and software. So it's running Huawei Crane 9010 chip with Harmony OS 4.2, upgradable to Harmony OS 5. It's not the fastest chip on the market, but for multitasking and media, it holds up well. Harmony OS feels fluid and the split screen features are genuinely useful, especially when you've got this much screen to play with. Honestly, I feel like I don't need my laptop anymore. RAM 16 gig. Storage options available are 256 gig, 512 gig or 1 terabyte. Moving on to cameras. The camera rear setup is 50 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel telephoto. Front camera is 8 megapixel selfie shooter. I wish I had a day with the phone. I could have tested out some pictures and see how amazing it looks. When the phone was first released and I saw some videos on it, I was thinking, oh, the camera module looks quite big. But looking at it in person now, it's actually perfectly proportioned to the phone. Moving on to battery and charging. The battery capacity is 5600 mAh, non-removable. Charging is wired at 66 watts, wireless at 50 watts, and reverse wireless at 7.5 watts. The battery life is surprisingly decent for a foldable. Moving on to availability and pricing. The phone was launched in China September 2024 and globally March 2025. If you're considering this for a professional use, say as a mobile workstation or a showcase device in community tech hubs, it's visually impressive and functionally unique. But for everyday practicality, especially in Western market, the lack of Google services and 5G could be a deal breaker. There's no banking app, so no NFC payment, no Google Wallet, no 5G support. So it's going to be a struggle in the Western market. But as a concept and a productivity tool, it's impressive. If you're into cutting edge tech and don't mind living a little outside the Android ecosystem, the Mate XT is worth a look. Also, if you're buying it here in Dubai, you're looking at $3,000. That's $2,200. And we generally buy 1 terabyte. If you're looking at a 1 terabyte, that's $2,600. So you do pay a lot less in Dubai. If you just happen to be on holiday, check it out. No Google services, but those of you who like to use NFC payment, there is a possibility of using Curve. We've been told Curve works. It doesn't have a digitizer, so no S Pen, but any universal pen will work. Despite all that, it's been in the market for 1 year. The Mate XT just looks technologically superior to the new Galaxy Fold 7. So guys, let me know what you think. Would you use a trifold phone in your daily life? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Also guys, if you found the video informative and enjoyed watching it so far, please don't forget to give it a like, and a sub would be very much appreciated. Thank you so much. So let's continue watching. Look at that, that is impressive. Stunning. That's amazing.
You could watch proper movie and stuff.
Yes, definitely. The quality.
Look at the 3D.
I mean, the video doesn't do justice really, but the quality is just
crazy. Look at this. Wow.
Amazing.
Definitely the best thing I've seen.
Yes. That looks really good. So that's the edge, yeah? That's exposed part.
Yes, they have a case for it, yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I'll look at the case.
So those are the two. Oh, so that's what that covers
for the red. This is for the black version. You can try. protect the side.
Yeah.
And if you open,
No damage because of the exposed part.
you can open like a big size like this.
A really good case as well.
Yeah.
It
So I'm
rotates.
just looking at the. Can I just see the charging port on that? Because if you look at that,
For the thickness, this is 4.2 mm.
This one is
yeah.
3.6 mm.
Yeah, this one is much
amazing.
thinner than the Fold 7.
Probably
yeah.
can't go any thinner than that.
No, it will not be thinner like this.
I see.
Yeah.
And compared to the Fold 7, it's
amazing.
way more impressive.
Yeah.
This one's way more impressive. Yeah, stupid.
3 pounds is only 2,000.
Yeah.
2,200.
2,200, yeah.
Right here.
Because we just paid
Oh,
bought that one.
So is that the price for from here?
Yeah. But this one, how much did we pay? 2,200, is it?
2000, close to 2,200. Yeah.
We paid 2,200. This
That's
one.
that's the
2
one.
weeks ago we bought
That's the
it.
1 terabyte with the
Country.
From UK.
in England. Yeah.
1 terabyte. 1 terabyte will be this price. 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte, 2,600 pounds.
What's the size on that one? Is it
This
60,
is 512
5,
GB.
512?
And
Yeah?
1 TB.
Yeah.
And what's the RAM?
RAM 16 GB.
16 GB. Okay, so that's got 16 GB as well.
If we were to buy this and something happened, warranty-wise, how would we deal with it?
Warranty we have in UAE actually.
So we'd have to come back here.
Yeah, we can give you the screen protection and also the screen damage. We replace the screen.
Right. Okay.
Yeah,
So how does that happen? Do you have to bring it here or?
actually you need to bring it. We cannot come. Pay delivery by the shipment.
Okay, so
then we ship back again.
Right, okay.
But it's a big cost.
How long does that usually take?
Huh?
How long would that usually take? If you have to send it to
Shipping but long.
long way.
Yeah.
Because the last time we came, we bought a new phone from here, which came out. And then when we went back, Samsung, we called it.
Ah,
So look, one of this coming out soon, aren't they?
coming
Mate
in.
XT2. They said
This one coming in.
that's the normal phone.
Yeah, X7 will come in. This one we don't know.
Don't know yet.
This is still the first generation.
First generation,
Yeah,
yeah.
First level of its kind.
Yes.
No one's done it. Yeah, the only worry is because UK doesn't support it. I know some people in UK use this.
This is international version actually.
So this is
import
global,
from here.
yeah?
This is global.
So any SIM will work.
Yeah. So far, yes.
Doesn't feel that heavy either.
It's the same as your one.
Yeah, heavy-wise, yeah.
It's almost like the size of a
Yeah.
PC screen, isn't it? That's PowerPoint.
PowerPoint, okay. So you don't really need a laptop anymore, do you? When you got that on the go.
Look at that. That's a spreadsheet. Look how much information you can view.
Yeah.
And you know all the Chinese.
So guys, we're considering buying the Huawei Mate XT, but Samsung is about to release its first ever tri-folding phone. So we have decided to wait and see what they have to offer. Samsung will be using a different folding technology which we prefer, and app compatibility shouldn't be an issue for us if it is released globally. In the meantime, the second version of Huawei tri-folding phone Mate XT-S has now been released, which supports stylus input. I wonder if Galaxy tri-folding phone will have S Pen support. What do you guys think? These are very expensive devices, but if you can buy one, which one would you consider getting? Please do share your thoughts in the comment section with us. So that's all for today, guys. We hope you found the video enjoyable. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Don't forget to put the notification bell on for our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.